Very good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, today in English class, we will revise how to draw the picture of the alphabet A. Okay? We will revise to draw the picture of alphabet A. Okay? First of all, tell me A for? Yes. A for apple. A for apple. हम A से apple की picture draw करना सीखेंगे. Okay? So, let's start. For apple, you will first draw a small curve like this. Okay? We will draw a curve like this. Now, from the center of this curve, we will make a C. We will make a C like this. Now, again, from its opposite side, again we will make a curve. Okay? Again, we will make one curve like this. So, like this, we will make two curves. Now, on the top of it, we will draw a triangle. We will draw a triangle like this. Okay? Now, we will draw one leaf. Now, we will draw one leaf. Like this. So, my dear students, this is apple. This is A for apple. A for apple. So now we have to color this apple. What is the color of an apple? You all know. Yes. Apple is of red color. So we will fill red color in the apple. So start from its sides. मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था जब भी हमने coloring start करनी है we will start from its sides. Okay? And we have to do dark coloring. We have to do dark coloring. And हमारी जो white space है वो नीचे नहीं नजर आनी चाहिए. We have to fill full apple. Okay? There should be no white space left. So, we will color the apple like this. So, like this, my dear students, we will color the apple with red color. Now, on its top, stem of the apple, we will color it with green color. Okay? So, like this, we will color the stem of the apple with green color and we will do green color in its leaf also. In its leaf also, we will do green color. My dear students, you have to do dark coloring. Okay. So, my dear students, like this, we will color the apple. Okay. Again, repeat with me. Picture of A for apple. Now, we will draw the picture of B. The picture of the alphabet B. So, B for balloon. Yes, B for balloon. So, my dear students, for balloon, first of all, you have to draw an oval. You can draw an oval also. Otherwise, you can draw a circle also. It's your wish. Okay? आप एक circle भी draw कर सकते हो, ऐसे oval भी draw कर सकते हो. Now, from its center, draw a curved line like this. Now, draw a small triangle. Draw a small triangle. And this is balloon. This is B for balloon. Repeat after me. B for balloon. Now, we can do any of your favorite color in balloon. Okay? You can do any color in balloon. Okay? So, like I am using pink color. Okay? So, first of all, we will use pink color like this. We will do the coloring. Like this, you will do the colors in the picture of alphabet B. That is balloon. That is balloon. B for balloon. B for balloon. My dear students, you have to do dark coloring. So, now my dear students, let us revise picture of the alphabet C. Picture of the alphabet C. C for, yes, you all know. C for cap. C for cap. So, to draw a cap, first of all, we will draw a sleeping line like this. We will draw a sleeping line like this, and we will draw a semicircle. Okay? Then we will draw a semicircle. Now, my dear students, from here we will draw a C. हम एक छोटा सा C draw करेंगे like this. We will draw a C like this. Now, we will join this C by making a slanting line. We will make a slanting line and we will join it like this. Now, we will make two more slanting lines in the semicircle. Semicircle में भी हम two more slanting lines बनाएंगे and we will make a small circle on the top. And we will make a small circle on the top. So, this is picture of alphabet C. C for cap. C for cap. So let's do the coloring. I am using the pink color. Like this. We will color from its sides first. We will do the dark coloring in the cap. So, my dear students, like this, you will do the coloring in the cap. C for cap. So, my dear students, you will revise how to draw picture of A, picture of B and picture of C. Okay? Revise this and do dark coloring in the pictures. Okay? So, thank you and have a nice day.